A very good morning, everyone. This is Kavya from 2nd BSc Biochemistry. I'm here to present on the topic waste management. Let us first look into the contents to be discussed. Introduction, what are waste, kind, classification, effects and impacts of waste. The three R's, methods of disposal, problem with plastic, electronic waste, waste management policies and conclusion. Introduction. Waste management or waste disposal includes the activities and actions required to manage waste from its inception to its final disposal. This includes the collection, transport, treatment and disposal of waste together with monitoring and regulation of the waste management process. It also encompasses the legal and regulatory framework that relates to waste management, encompassing guidance on recycling, etc. Any invention that helps to increase the value of waste above zero so that the waste will not be a waste. What are waste? Waste are unwanted or unusual materials. Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use or worthless, defective, and of no use. A byproduct, by contrast, is a joint product of relatively minor economic value. A waste product may become a byproduct, joint product, or resource to an invention that raises a waste product's value above zero. Kinds of waste. Liquid waste refers to all grease, oil, sludge, washer waste, detergents, and dirty water that have been thrown away. Solid waste. Solid waste is any garbage, sludge, and refuse found in industrial and commercial locations. Organic waste, recyclable waste, and hazardous waste. Classification of waste. Waste is classified into hazardous waste and non-hazardous waste. Under hazardous waste, it's radioactive waste, industrial waste, electronic waste, medical waste, etc. Under non-hazardous waste, it is municipal waste and other non-hazardous waste like as industrial waste. Under municipal waste, it is organic waste, packaging waste, other materials like as glass, plastic, metals, etc. Here are the pictures of sources of waste. Firstly, it's agriculture, electronics, household waste, commerce and industrial waste. Effects of waste is both on the environmental effects and also in economic effects. Under environmental effects, it is surface water contamination, groundwater contamination, soil water contamination, and air water contamination. Under economic effects, municipal well-being, recycling revenue, economic increases for every sector. Here is waste hierarchy chart. From down to up, it is least favored option to most favored option. Disposal, energy recovery, recycling, reuse, minimization, and prevention. The three R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Use less, buy less, avoid waste. Turn off lights, take short showers, carpool, and etc. Reuse. Use things more than once. Use clothes shopping bags, repair things, re-gift, try travel mugs, compost, and etc. Recycle. Separate waste materials so that the recyclable products can be transformed into something new. Impacts of waste. Some states are expected to become warmer, although sulfides might limit warming in some areas. Scientists are unable to determine which part of these countries will become wetter or drier, but there is likely to be an overall trend towards increased precipitation and evaporation, more intense rainstorms, and drier soil. Whether rainfall increases or decreases cannot be reliably projected for specific areas. In this PPT, we have come to know that impacts of waste is most on seasonal and climatic changes. Here, CO2 is released to the atmosphere by the burning of fossil fuels, wood and wood products, and solid waste. Buildup of GHG. GHG means greenhouse gases. carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. NO2 is emitted during agriculture and industrial activities, as well as during combustion of solid waste and fossil fuels. In 1977, the US emitted about one-fifth of total global GHGs. Here is a pie chart of different types of waste divisions in India, mostly covered with paper and paperboard wastes, 35.1%, e-waste 10.4%, metal 7.7%, plastics 9.4%, food waste 10.4%, glass 5.9%, wood 5.2%, and other wastes are covered in 15.9%. Here are the methods of disposal. Next slide, ma'am. Landfill. It is the most traditional method of waste disposal. Waste is directly dumped into disused quarries, mining voids, or borrow pits. Disposed waste is compacted and covered with soil. Gases generated by decomposing waste materials are often burned to generate power. It is generally used for domestic waste. Next method is incineration. Incineration is a waste treatment process that involves the combustion of solid waste at 1000 degrees Celsius. Waste materials are converted into ash, flue gas, and heat. The ash is mostly formed by the inorganic constituents of the waste and gases due to organic waste. The heat generated by incineration is used to generate electric power. Next is compactation. The waste is compacted or compressed. It also breaks up large or fragile items of waste. This process is conspicuous in the feed at the back end of many garbage collection vehicles. Deposit refuse at bottom of the slope for best compaction and control of blowing litter. Next is pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is defined as thermal degradation of waste in the absence of fire to produce char, pyrolysis oil, and syngas. Example, the conversion of wood to charcoal. Also, it is defined as destructive distillation of waste in the absence of oxygen. External source of heat is employed in this process. Making biogas. Biogas typically refers to a mixture of different gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. Biogas can be produced from raw materials such as agriculture waste, manure, municipal waste, plant materials, sewage, green waste, or food waste. It is a renewable energy source and in many cases exerts a very small carbon footprint. Problems with plastic. Disposal of waste plastic is a major problem. It is non-biodegradable. Burning of these waste plastic bags causes environmental pollution. It mainly consists of low-density polyethylene. To find its utility in bituminous mix for road construction, laboratory performance studies were conducted on bituminous mixes. Laboratory studies proved that the waste plastic enhances the property of the mix. Improvement in properties of bituminous mix provides a solution for a very disposal of plastic waste. Next topic we are going to discuss is on e-waste, that is on electric waste. Electronic waste. E-waste comprises of waste electronic goods which are not fit for their originally intended use. Such electronic goods may be television, telephone, radios, computers, printers, fax machines, DVDs and CDs, etc. Effects of e-waste. Effects of e-waste is both on the environment and also in human health. On environment, pollution of groundwater, acidification of soil, air pollution. E-waste accounts for 40% of the lead and 75% of the heavy metal found in landfills. On human health, it causes DNA damage, damage to heart, liver and spleen, chronic damage to brain, asthmatic bronchitis. Here are some waste management policies. Environmental Protection Act in 1986, Hazardous Waste Rule in 1989, Waste Management Act in 1996, Municipal Solid Waste Rule in 2002, Solid Waste Policy in India 2006, the E-Waste Management and Handling Rules in 2011. Recycle for the life cycle. Waste is a waste until we waste it. So do recycle and reuse. And thank you for your patience.